first blue crab bait. This is a big one. Got them, man. What's going on again, guys? What's going on? Yeah, man, Dre again with Hartman Adventures. I'm out here on another adventure this morning. Should be pretty early this morning. Well, not too early, but early enough. Initially, when I was leaving home, I planned to do some lure fishing this morning, but I noticed that the wind kind of changed since yesterday, so actually did pack in my other rods in my car, because I had a slight hint that sea wasn't going to be able to I wasn't going to be able to do any lure fishing this morning, because normally once I can feel the wind like that from my home, usually mean to say sea is a little bit choppy. So yeah, I travel with my other rod them, so this morning look like it's a permit morning. I'll turn around the camera, come I just reach out a seaside. Turn around the camera so you guys can see what's going on. As you can see, it might look a little bit flat on the camera, but it is definitely not flat. See, yeah, it starts stir up right now, but it's not too bad right now. So before it get too bad, I'm gonna try see if I can go look some blue crab. I'm gonna just walk the shallows and try find some blue crab, and yeah, see if I can set up myself to do some permit fishing today. So yeah, now I'm gonna stay here so too long. I do a long intro. Just go and stick around, hit the like, the share, the subscribe button, and stay tuned once me. Oh, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to record me catching the blue crab. I don't think you guys have ever seen me do that, so I'm gonna try to record that. So stay tuned. Let me see if I can get set up, catch some blue crab, and then we're gonna look some permit today. Alright, first crab in my bucket. I'm showing you how I catch them. Alright, so I have this little thing which is like a little old stainless steel strainer when I take out the net out of. And I get one of the bag, when I handbag them, and just tie it on. This is something where I see extreme fishers, they make something very similar to this. So extreme fishers may actually learn this technique from, so big up yourself, extreme. Just see one right there, so you know I'm not no part into it. Extreme fishers may see use that technique at first. And normally you find the crab them on them like them grassy flat, yeah. Them shallow grassy flat, you will find the crab them run around. You just walk around and pick them up. So just, yeah, just go and observe. You see how me catch them. See another one, yeah. Just gone on the sun, yeah, so. Alright, see him there? And them size are very just perfect for permit fishing. You can see him in the net. Them size are just perfect for permit fishing. Alright, so 2 crab that in our bucket. Water is extremely high today. Wow. So you don't really need to walk far out in the water. You can just walk along the shore and you see them. But you kind of want to stay in a clear part of the water because the silty section of the water here, it's very difficult for you to see them and move around the night. Just done find some blue crab. Find about half dozen. Water get very silty now because start get a little bit more choppy, so I not really see crab them anymore. But I find about 6 of them. I go head to a new spot for permit today. I've never fished in this spot for permit before. So basically this is a prospecting adventure today. Yeah, I go see if I can find permit in a one particular spot. I always pass there and say it look like a spot I might find permit, but I never fish in there for permit yet. So I'll see if I can head out there and hopefully I can find a couple of permits out there today. It's very windy right now, but I just reached to this location and I'm telling you, say I want to come try out today. As you can see, it's a nice little reef, and the reef you go way out and permit bait in here. I'm sure of that because when the sea calm and you come here, you see a whole heap of sea urchin and them stuff there. So I know it's a permit bait in there, so more than likely then come here come feed. So I'll give it a try right now. First blue crab bait. Permit on. This is a big one. This is a big permit. Whoa. Fish on. This is a big permit. Start recording. Start recording. Oh, this is a big permit. Wow, big permit. Get my gear out of the car. Big permit. Haven't even started gaining line animals yet. Big permit. See him right here. Just started getting a little bit of line. Other camera is not turning on. Start recording. See him there coming up in the shallow. Huge permit. Out here is very rocky. Have some very sharp reefs out here, so I have to be very careful how I'm bringing him in. If I put too much tension on the drag and him run and wrap around a reef, I could get snapped off very easily. I'd rather have a loose drag and him run. When him run, at least the line will be able to slide a little bit better. This is a big permit. Whoa. Woo. This is a big boy. Start recording. Good. Next camera, just start recording. Hopefully I can get some headshots. This boy is stubborn, man, stubborn. Come in. This is gonna be a huge one. Just be being very patient with this fish, guys. Very, very patient. Very, very patient with this fish. I'm being very patient with this fish. Can't see him, you know, he's very close. But he might be very stubborn. He's being very stubborn. He's always trying to head back for deeper water. Woo. My hands are tired. Woo. Yeah. Come up, boy. Come up. Break the fight. I come in. Relax yourself and come in. Come in. I'm most tired. This is probably the closest I've ever gotten him in. This is the closest I've gotten to him. Big boy right here. Whoa. Very heavy. Very heavy. There it goes again. Woo. Come up. There he goes again. I'm being very patient with you. Alright, he had float up for the first time a while ago. Seems like he might get a little bit more tired now. Come up. Come on, come up, come up, come up. We had float up again. I think he's close enough to gaff now, but I really don't want to go in the water with him because I don't want him run off on them stone here and cut me off. So I'm going to try to use the wave to get him as close in as possible. Whoa, this is a monster. What a catch. Woo! That's a big boy. Wow, that is a big boy. That's a big permit. Look at that, guys. Woo! That's a huge permit. Wow, that is a big permit. Hooked right in the corner of my mouth. I would estimate this is probably 20 plus pounds, if not more. This is a big permit. Whoa, no, 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 no. This is a big permit. Super heavy. Oh! I think I just beat my last record. I think I just beat my last record. When Zach was here, I think I just beat that record. If I didn't beat it, I'm not far off. Whoa! Jeez! Wow! Woo! I've got to get a weight on this fish. Whoa! Look at the hook, guys. Totally bent out. This fish was very close to getting away. Ah! Look at that! Ah! Look at this fish, guys. Look at that. Somebody just a pass and see him. Yeah. Right, sir. Just hook him. A jack, on jack. Permit. Yeah. About 30 pounds, you know. You know, they're far off a 30 pound. Yeah. Respect, man. The biggest you ever see. Then there, man. You have to just know when to find them. Yeah. You know them water, you find them. Alright, guys, so try weigh him up and then bleed him out quickly. Alright, guys, so catch a weight on him. Catch a weight on him right now. It is come on, 30.78 pounds. See there? 30.78 pounds. So it's just a little bit less than what Zach caught. Alright, guys, see there? Scale lock out, 30.78 pounds. Just a few pounds, less than a pound shorter than the big one that Zach got. Alright, so one person recently asked me how I bleed the permit them. I'm not gonna show you the blood on camera right now, how I cut him, but usually I cut him like right under here. Cut him right under there, and along the side here is the lateral line. So I would normally cut the tail like right here. From the lateral line, that's the blood line running right here. A lot of blood come out the tail down here when you cut the lateral line. And when you cut up here, closer to like the throat area, that's how you bleed the permits. I'm at the side of the car now, so hopefully you guys can hear me out of the wind. So I want to let you guys know something very important. After catching a fish of that size, you can see the hook is fully bent out. Hook is severely bent. Well, not severely, but it is bent out. This fish was very close to getting away. So after catching a fish that size, one thing you want to always do is to change your leader line, because the leader line is now fully stretched And even if I catch another fish, even if it's not 30 pounds, it could be like a 10-pound fish, this leader is highly possible that it's gonna break off on the next fish. So after you catch a big fish, most time you want to change your leader. Make sure that you have gears in tip-top shape, because this, you never know whether you're going to catch a 5-pounder or a 30-pounder or a 50-pounder. You always want to change your leader after you catch a fish that size. So right now I'm going to cut off this leader. I'm going to change the hook and change the leader. Yes guys, yeah, that is it for today now guys. That is it for today. I've been here waiting on another bite for probably about 2-3 hours now. Still haven't gotten another bite, but it's kind of like midday now, so I highly doubt I'm gonna get another bite right now. I had the fish carded in the water, but you know, the fish has been dead for 2-3 hours now, so I think it's about time now for me to process it and get it on the freezer. And also I saw a shark nosing about in the water just where I had the fish in the water, so I didn't want to take the chance, and it took away my fish. That shark was swimming really in too much of a shallow water, so you definitely know that I smell the blood coming from the fish. So yeah, kinda just pack up and decide to go home now. So yeah man, thanks for staying to the end. I might do a cook up. I don't know if I'm gonna do a cook up or clean up. I might show you guys when I'm cleaning this one up. I might grill some of it later, I don't know, depends how I feel when I reach home. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, it would mean a lot to me if you guys subscribe and share the video with your friends. Yeah man, I could see if we can get a couple more people. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so we could see how quickly we can reach the goal of 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, big up on yourself again. I'm pretty tired right now. That fish give me a good run out, so try head home, go process it right now and get some food to eat. So thanks again for tuning in, and catch you in the next adventure. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.